Hey folks, Nicole Happel with Top Tier Real Estate again. Today we are at my new listing at 4651 Ridgeglen Road. Buyers, how many times does this happen to you? You're looking at ads of older homes in established neighborhoods which have updating. And then you walk in the door and the kitchen looks like it was updated in 1992. Well, not the case here. This home is the answer to that dilemma. Beautifully updated. This home was built in 1970, but the kitchen feels like 2022. Check this out. White cabinetry with a light gray bottom cabinet, soft closed drawers, quartz countertops, a subway backsplash, and it's even got a farm sink. Who doesn't love a farm sink? In addition to that, the home has 1,600 finished square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, all tastefully updated, hardwood floors, newer windows, even a big new composite deck with a pergola for keeping the sun off your face. I know you want to see this house, and I do want to show this house to you, so please give me a call. I am Nicole with Top Tier Real Estate.